Hello, my dear, this is Teacher Miguel, my friends. And today, my friends, we're going to learn and practice about past modals, okay? Modals in the past, okay? For deduction, okay? And let's start. Look, it's used for logical assumptions and deductions. Must. For example, you have been practicing all day. You must be exhausted, okay? This is a deduction, okay? Why? Because you have been practicing all day. So you will say you must be exhausted. This is for the present, okay, my friends? Sean and Jenny must be going out again. I have seen them talking very lovely dovey, you know. Okay. So here, my friends, here is the continuous, okay? Is the present but with continuous. Okay, you are making a deduction about the present. Sean and Jenny must be going out again. I have seen them talking very lovely dovey, you know. Logical assumptions and deductions must is used in affirmative sentences. It states something about which you are certain that is true. Okay, you are 100% sure. Modal verbs and different tenses. We can use modal verbs with different combinations of verbs to change the time of the actions. Must. I must have left my phone at Anna's. I definitely remember having it there. This is for the past, my friends. Okay, this is a deduction for the past. You pay attention to the structure. Must have left. Okay, it's must with present perfect. That is for the past, my friends. Okay. I must have left my phone at Anna's. I definitely remember having it there. Can't and couldn't. What you say about Claire and Jake can't be true. They are so good together, it's possible they are going to break up. Here is a can is a something that you don't think that is true. It's an improbable situation, okay? It's a maybe something that you don't believe. Why? Because you have the evidence of the contrary. And look, can be this also for the present, okay? Can't and the verb in the simple form. What you say about Claire and Jake can be true. They are so good together, it's impossible they are going to break up. Can and couldn't. Someone has been at home, but it can have been James. He was at work. Here, my friends, okay, this is a deduction for the past. You have can't and present perfect, okay? How do you know that it's past? For the second sentence, okay? He was at work. Someone has been at home, but it can't have been James. He was at work. Couldn't. You couldn't have seen their faces. It was too dark. Couldn't when the speculation is about the distant past, okay? You couldn't have seen their faces. Look, couldn't plus also present perfect, and it is to refer to the past, okay? It was too dark. Can and couldn't are used in negations and express negative logical assumptions. That is to say, you use them when you are certain that something is not true or real. Monsters can't be real. Here's a deduction for the present. Can't and the verb in the simple form. Can and couldn't are the opposite of must, so we don't say monsters mustn't be real. No, okay. But the correct is monsters can't be real. So remember, must is always for the affirmative, and can't or couldn't is for the negative. May and might. They might have been a perfect match, but something got in their way. Okay. Might, okay, it's a probability, a possibility. And here, my friends, is also in the past. Why? Because you have might and present perfect, okay? And the second sentence, my friends, but something got in their way. That is simple past, okay? Someone might have stolen your wallet when you got off the train, okay? Also, here is for the past, okay? It's might and present perfect, okay? So it's something that is a probability, a possibility for the past. He hasn't arrived yet. I may have given him the wrong direction. Look, also, okay, is may plus present perfect. This is for the past, okay? He hasn't arrived yet. I may have given him the wrong directions. We use may and might when we think it's possible that something happened or is true, but we are not 100% sure. There is a probability or a possibility in the present or in the past. For example, he hasn't arrived yet. I may have given him the wrong direction. He might be lost, okay? He might be looking for the right directions. This one is for present, okay? And it's also for present. How do you know that it's present, my friends? Very easy, because you have the auxiliary verb and the verb, okay? Different tenses can also be used. For example, infinitive present, have plus past, part past, infinitive plus gerund, and action in progress. Great job, my friends. Okay, very good, my friends. So remember, you have questions, please ask me, and I will be ready to answer any questions, okay? Thank you very much, my friends. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.